Hi, I'm Ishan. Welcome to my YouTube channel VFX School. So in this tutorial, I'll show you that how we're gonna clean up this window by using Model Builder tool. Okay, I'm going to clean up only one window. Okay, so first we'll play the footage. So as you can see that it's a drone kind of a shot. Okay, so what we'll do is the first thing we'll do is we'll set the project. Very important. Okay. We have set the project, then what we'll do is we'll take one camera tracker node. We'll take the camera tracker. We'll see the settings now. Okay, so mask none, range input global, because I've set the range. Okay, camera overmotion is free camera, lens distortion we don't know, and we don't know any camera settings, or don't know. If you know the camera settings, you can put the sensor size, focal length, and all that stuff. Okay, so now we'll go to settings. Number of features I'll put about 350. Okay, so we'll preview that. Now we'll tap the footage. Okay. Okay, so we have tracked the footage. Now we'll press solve. Yeah, so you can see that our error rate is quite good. It is less than 1. Okay, if you want to reduce it, you can reduce it. Just decrease the value of max error little bit, max track error little bit. Okay, let rejected and so on. Okay, so we are done with this. So now what we'll do is we'll create the scene. No, first of all, what we'll do is we'll set the ground plane, because our scene orientation is not correct. You can see that. See, our ground plane is below the grid, so we need to correct that. We need to correct the scene orientation. Okay. So now what we'll do is we'll select some points on the ground like this. Right click, ground plane, set to selected. Okay, we'll move forward and select some points. Right click, ground plane, set to selected. Like this. Right. Ground plane set to selected, like this. Ground plane set to selected. Yeah, so we have selected almost all the points on the ground. Okay, so now we'll see our 3D view. So you can see that our scene orientation is quite correct. Okay, so now we'll create scene. Create. Now we'll just align it properly. Okay, so now we'll take one scan line render node, scan line render. Okay, scene to scene, camera to camera, and BG will take one merge node, background, foreground, and we'll view through merge. Okay, control like this. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, now we'll disable the point clouds. Okay, so now we'll take the model builder node. Okay, model builder. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll connect the source to source, camera to camera, and we view through model builder. Okay, press 1. So you can see that something grid is there. Okay, so this is kind of a match move. Okay, so you can see the ground plane which we have set. See, our grid is properly staying on the ground. So we have come directly through a 3D view. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll create one card. We want only one row and one column. Okay, so I'll create card. See, press right click, oh sorry, left click, just like this. Okay, now just align the card like this. Just align the card, okay, properly. Just beside the window, around the window, okay. Just align the card properly. It should be inside, huh? So yeah, we have created the card. So now we need to go to another frame, okay. So we'll move forward. So you can see that our card is not tracked. So for tracking, we need see like this. See, automatically takes the area, okay. See like this. See. Now we need to just align it like this. Now it's correct. Okay. Yeah. Just do this in only 2 frames. So now I'll play the footage. Okay. See, now our art is properly tracked. Okay. If you wish, you can do it in 3 frames also. But 2 frames are enough for tracking. Okay. So our card is properly tracked. Okay. So the next thing what we have to do is we'll select the model builder. Okay. So we'll go to model builder and we'll press bake. Okay. So our card is created, 3D card. Important thing we have to do is we have to clean up this window. Okay. So how we'll clean up? We'll take one frame hold. Okay. So I'll frame hold 630. We'll frame hold the first frame only. Okay. So now we'll take the logo pane node. We'll connect here. So now we'll clean up the window. Okay. We'll decrease the opacity to 0.3. Control and just clean this window, okay, like this properly. Okay. So our window is clean. We'll just line this. So now what we'll do is we'll take one roto node. We'll make a roto around the window, okay. See this, like this, this, and press E will give it a little bit of feather. Okay. So now what we'll do is we'll be multiplied by RGB. Replace. Okay. So now we'll press D. Okay. So now what we have to do is we have to project this patch onto the card. Okay. So we'll take one project 3 node. Okay. We'll have to project this. Okay. So camera, we'll take Control C, Control V. So we'll delete all the animations of this camera at 630 frame. Okay. Left click, no animation on all ops. We'll connect the camera. So we'll now bring our card. We'll connect this card to scene and project this patch onto this card image like this. Okay. So now we'll view through merge. Okay, so you can see that our window is finally clean. So I'll play the footage once. See. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. So guys, if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel VFX School. Thank you.